guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Anna here. So today I'll be showing you guys how to make a bucket hat. First, you will need these 3 patterns. Now these 3 patterns, you can get it from anywhere. Google, just type up bucket hat pattern and you'll find it anywhere. I had to adjust my pattern because I have a big head. Don't come at me, but I have a big head, so I need to make my pattern fit my head. Now you have the circle and you have those pieces next to it, those rectangular pieces, yes. So we're going to start with a circle. You're going to place the circle on your fabric, pin it down to secure it, and you're going to cut out the circle. Now for the circle, you're only cutting out 1 piece, and for those rectangular pieces, I believe one of them is 4 pieces and the other is 3. I may be wrong, but I'll double check and go over that. So we're going to cut our circle piece. After that, we're going to move on to our rectangular pieces. Now for this piece, you have to cut it 4 times and you have to put it on a fold. So to get it on the fold, you have to fold your fabric over and then you put where it says on the fold, you put it in the center where it's folded. Again, you're going to pin it down in place and you're going to cut 4 pieces. Then you're going to move on to the second piece, and for this piece you will also put it on a fold and you will cut 2 pieces. After you're finished cutting this piece, this is all the pieces that you should have in total. Next step, you're going to take the 2 pieces that you cut, put them right sides facing each other, pin them down, and sew the 2 sides. After sewing it, this is how mine looked like. We're then going to take this circular piece and we're going to attach it to the edge of the piece we just sewed together. You're going to sew all the way around it, and after you sew all the way around it, this is how it looks like. Then we're going to move on to our other 4 pieces that we cut. For this 4 pieces, we're going to first take 2. We're going to place them right sides facing up, right sides touching each other. We're going to place them on top of each other, pin it down, and we're going to then take the next piece, place them on top of each other, and also pin it down. After pinning both down, we're going to sew the bottom of both pieces. After sewing it down, it should look something like this. We're then going to flip it open, lay it down. Again, you want right sides touching each other. We're going to lay them on top of each other. We're going to pin it and then sew the 2 sides. After sewing both sides, it should look something like this. You will reverse it and pin it. Now for this part, my camera cut out for the pinning part, but after you reverse it and pin it, it should look something like this. You will need several pins to secure this. After securing it, you're then going to go over and sew about 2 to 3 lines on top of it. After sewing those lines, this is how mine came out. Then we're going to move on to the top part of the hat. We're going to place it inside out, pin the outer edges together, and sew all the way around it. This is personally my fabric choice. You can use any fabric that you have. You do not necessarily have to stick with the fabric I have. If I had better fabric, I would have used better fabric, but everything is like running slow right now, so we're going to use what we have. Now, if the circle does not exactly match, because it's not a perfect circle, so it will not match with the cap of the hat, that's totally fine. That is completely fine. You can just move it around and make it fit. And once you make it fit, you can sew it. After sewing it, this is how mine came out. Now, I wanted to be a little bit extra, and I went ahead and bedazzled it. I put my logo A.V, which is AnnaVatarri, on it, and this is how it came out. I think this is totally cute. I would definitely try to remake this again with a different fabric, but this still came out nice. I love how it came out, and the bedazzle just gives it that extra But thank you guys for watching my video. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you do try to remake this video, you can tag me. I would definitely love to see that. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out my website at AnnaVatarri.com. The link will also be down in the description box. Thank you guys for supporting me, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah.